Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Solutions Nerds. In this video, I'm going to show you a hidden game inside your Edge browser. You can notice that Edge browser is built in the windows where you can find out a hidden game. What you need to do is open your Edge browser, then in search bar type ed edge, then colon, then double backslash, and then surf, and then hit enter. A game will be pop up here. It's surf. Now click on this three dot at right top corner, and then here we'll find out full screen. Then click on this and the game will be in full screen. This game has four modes. One is endless, travel as far as you can. Second one is time travel, rush to the finish line. The third one is zigzags, fast through every gate. And the fourth one is collector, where you can collect these coins. Now at right top corner you can see the settings icon. When you click on the settings icon, you will get three options. The one is high visibility. It will mark every single object in the game, but this is really irritating, so disable this. The second one is reduce speed. If you're unable to play the game, it's default speed. And the third one is reduce motion, which is not good for the gaming experience. Now at left top corner you will see this edit player icon. Then click on this. You will get four options. The one is edit outfit, the second one is hairstyle, third one is edit body, and the fourth one is glosses. So when you click on the outfit, you can select your default outfit for it. When you select on hairstyle, I will select this yellow style. Then click on edit body, I will select like this one. And then for the glasses there is no other option. Then click on save changes. When you click on this, now if you want to change the background of the game, what you need to do, at left top corner you will see this icon called edit theme. Click on this. Now you will get two themes. The one is summer mode and the second one is winter mode. It depends on you if you want to play in summer mode or you are play in winter mode. Now let's play again. For example, I will stick it to summer mode. Now let's click on start the game. You can control this game by your mouse. Like if you want to go to right, move to right. If you want to go to left, and go to left. You need to go as far as you can because this is endless mode, but you need to just go away from these obstacle. For example, if I just hit the obstacle, you will, here you can see this 3 horse and you will get 3 times. So now let me go. If you want to stop it, just go the mouse back to this and let me just go there. And this is really interesting game and fun to watch, but really difficult. You can check out and go there. Okay, this is game over. So go there, open Edge, play the game, and must comment down the experience of this game. And for more videos like this, subscribe to Solutions Nerds. If you're new to this channel, must subscribe. Thanks for watching.